బంగారు నగలు తాకట్టు పెట్టబోతున్నారా? వద్దు. తక్కువ డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ వడ్డీ ఎందుకు? సింపుల్ గా శ్రీ స్టార్ గోల్డ్ కంపెనీకి రండి. జర్మన్ టెక్నాలజీ, ప్యూరిటీ చెక్, బెస్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ రేట్లో అమ్మి 2 minutes లో క్యాష్ ని ఇంటికి తీసుకువెళ్ళండి. ప్రశాంతంగా ఉండండి. కాల్ 6366333444.
Nearly healthcare, engineering, electronics, and also consumer durables, food processing, packaging, precision manufacturing, automobile, medical devices. These are all various products they are able to manufacture. And also flagship projects, if you see, today we are inaugurating Belgium mobility and rehabilitation devices, Japan natural gas distribution, Singapore light engineering. These are all supporting advanced infrastructure and high quality employment generation. As on today, for the last 16 months, state government has attracted 8 lakh crores, 8.87 lakh crores we have sanctioned, clearances have been given. 2 days, nearly we are able to clean 13 lakh crores. That means roughly 18 months time, 22 lakh crores we are going to get investment. That is a historic achievement. I am very happy for that. I gave yesterday escrow account. This Sri City is having how many units now? Sri City? 240 units are there. Ask everybody to go for expansion or bring one more industry here. There are associations, all those things. Now we are giving another 2,000 acres of land is available. Government of Andhra Pradesh agreed to give another 2,500. That land is available, another 4,500. As on today, he developed 6,000 acres with 240 industries, 31 countries. Today I am fixing target for him, 50 countries, 500 or 450 industries, ultimately 1,50,000 employment. 1,50,000 employment, we will create a township there. Mini world. Not mini world, 50 countries means almost all. 1/3 of the world will be here, or bigger countries are all going to locate here. Then anyway he is aware of all those things. You have to build there one airstrip also now, so that very easy to come and go. And also hub and spoke model, one airstrip also we have to develop. Ultimately our aim is very clear. This type of models are very important for employment generation. Once if you create this type of models, even somebody is producing some X product, that will be raw material or it will be useful for another industries also. And also very easy for common affluent plants treatment, and also layouts and the net zero concept. This is where your rating should be. Energy, you have to go for solar, and also all means, ultimately battery also. Finally, I want to see this industry net zero. Water treatment, water usage, everything. You have to go in that direction. Even what you call how to waste to energy, everything you have to develop it. Ultimately, government is very keen to promote investment. By seeing all these things, we have started now escrow account with sovereign powers. Anybody wanted to set up an industry in Sri City, automatically everything will be real time. We will give all clearances. He is going to provide all infrastructure support, and also water, power, everything they are going to connect it. And at the same time, Sometimes for incentives, they are coming to government continuously, they are suffering. Some of the industries are becoming sick also because of a financial strain. Now we are giving escrow account with sovereign powers. No need to come to government now. We brought labor reforms earlier, infrastructure reforms, everything we brought. Now ultimately escrow account. This is the first time in India Andhra Pradesh government is bringing. We are aiming, as on today, 220 billion US dollars investment has come. We are aiming another 3 years time, 500 billion US dollars, 10 years, 1 trillion US dollars. 500 billion means 50 lakh jobs. Then ultimately 1 trillion means 1 crore jobs, 10 million jobs. That is how we are planning. I am very happy. Even you have to promote knowledge economy also in Sri City. Not only manufacturing, knowledge economy also you focus. That is the future. Ultimately, wonderful work has been done by Sri City. Sana Reddy Garu is doing very good work. I am seeing him. He is almost all dedicated for this project. He is working very hard. I wish all the best. Even we will promote your investment. We will bring industries. You service them. You also go all over the world. Your target is very clear now. 2-3 years time, before 28, you are going to bring another 19 different countries to 40 industries. Employment go to 1 lakh additional jobs. So that is, then ultimately it will become 1,50,000. 1,50,000 jobs, 50 countries, 500 units. That is the target. That mark he has to pass, that test he has to pass. From now onwards, he may not have sleepless nights, but he will work. Then we will make it one of the best projects as a proof of concept. How business we can do it. It is a model, we will produce a model. With this, I am thanking all of you. Thank you one and all. I wish all the best, Sana Reddy Garu. Good luck. Thank you.